Hi, we are see in this video how to remove not null constraint from the column. Here one table employee. Employee has three fields: EMP name, ID, salary. One field has not null constraint. We are seeing this. So we are changed from the XML lequibase. For that, we change the lequibase here and drop not null, drop not null, drop not null constraint it is used. Its attribute like employee, table name need to here define, column name employee name, etc. Now we can see reflection in table. For that we restart the application. So currently problem occur. So we see why it should not success to. So we here define data type, column data type like a varchar 100. We restart the application. Now application successfully started. Now see we employee name is not null, is removed. So currently it is allowed and null constraint. So that is our take drop not null constraint. It has three attributes required: table name, column data type, and column name. Table name, column data type, and column name. So that's it.